Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to quickly create a new mailbox in Apple Mail on your Mac. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. We're starting here in the inbox. The first thing you'll want to do is head to the top left corner, click on the Mailbox drop-down menu, and select New Mailbox. You'll find it about halfway down the list. Now this brings up a window where we can create our new folder. Here's how it works. Choose where you want to save your mailbox. For this example, we'll house it under the inbox. Next, give your mailbox a name. Let's call it Test for this demonstration. Once that's done, hit OK, and there it is. You'll see your new mailbox listed on the sidebar. It's not in the Favorites section yet, but no worries. If you want quick access, you can drag it up into Favorites just like this. Right now the mailbox is empty. To organize your emails, you can easily move messages into it. Simply right-click an email, select Move To, and choose the new test mailbox. And just like that, the email is now inside the folder. If you ever want to move something back, it's just as easy. Drag it out, and it'll return to the inbox. Organizing your emails like this is a fantastic way to keep your inbox neat and categorized. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.